In a bold move against the centre, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and other prominent Congress leaders from Karnataka organized a protest at Jantar Mantar, denouncing what they perceive as injustice in tax devolution. Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar, alongside numerous MPs, ministers, and MLAs, stood shoulder to shoulder in solidarity with the cause. The Congress asserts that Karnataka has been unfairly treated in terms of tax devolution and grants in aid over recent years, resulting in staggering losses amounting to Rs 1.87 lakh crore under the 15th Finance Commission. Siddaramaiah clarified that the protest isn't directed against any specific political party, but is rather a stand against the discrimination faced by Karnataka. Dismissing BJP's accusations of exacerbating the North-South divide, the Chief Minister emphasized the Congress's commitment to national unity while advocating for fair treatment of southern states. Highlighting the altered tax devolution formulas by the 15th Finance Commission, Siddaramaiah called for a return to the previous system to stem revenue losses. Additionally, plans are in motion to present a representation to the new Finance Commission, urging the adoption of the formula used by the 14th Finance Commission. In response to the Congress-led government's protest in Delhi, the BJP in Karnataka organized a counter-demonstration, led by party state president B.Y. Vijendra near the Vidhan Saudha. Protesters, including former Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai and other prominent leaders, voiced grievances over alleged failure of the Congress administration, particularly in addressing issues such as relief for drought-hit farmers and incentives for milk producers. The sit-in demonstration aimed to highlight these concerns and challenge the ruling party's stance on financial justice. Meanwhile, CPIM stalwart and Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, along with his cabinet colleagues, is set to stage a protest in Delhi on February 8th, condemning the alleged negligence towards southern states by the centre.